Hello everyone, welcome to Strive Grid. Today we will be looking at how to get handwriting like font in Canva. So there are multiple ways. Handwriting is also sometimes known as calligraphy, but there is a subtle difference in that. So let's see how we can get the handwriting font. So to get that, we are in the free version of Canva right now. I have opened the logo version of the images or the templates. So let's open any one of them. Let's say this one, and let us customize this template. And please mind well, you do not see any kind of crown icon on the right hand side which states that this is a free to use template. Whether you have a paid account or free account, you can use this template. So let's customize this, and now let's find out how we can do that. So this is one of the fonts which is technically selected right now. You need to double click it, select the font at the top. As you can see, I'm hovering with my mouse. When I click that, there are multiple ways you can do this. You can either select handwriting and it will show you all the handwritten fonts which you like this one or this one. But please mind well that the crown icon represented here, which is near my mouse, is a paid thing. So if you have a free account and you use this font, you will have to pay for that particular font. And if you have a Canva membership, then you can actually grab not just the fonts but anything around Canva just under that membership. So this is how you get a handwriting font in Canva. So thank you for watching.